First, beets are loaded with vitamins and minerals, yet low in calories and fat. They are also a good source of several key nutrients, including folate, manganese, and copper, which help in improving metabolism and hair growth. Second, beets contain a high concentration of nitrates, which can help lower your blood pressure levels. This may lead to a reduced risk of heart disease and stroke. Third, eating beets may enhance athletic performance by improving oxygen use and endurance. To maximize their effects, consume them 2 to 3 hours prior to training or competing. Fourth, beets are a good source of fiber, which benefits your digestive health and reduces the risk of several chronic health conditions. Fifth, the plant pigment that gives beetroot its rich, purple-crimson color is beta-cyanin, a powerful agent thought to help suppress the development of some types of cancer, including bladder cancer. Sixth, beetroots contain vitamin C. Many people believe that it can help you treat pigmentation. Many studies have found that the vitamin C found in beetroot can help decrease melanin formation and treat hyperpigmentation.